most users only tap into about 10% of ChatGPT's true capabilities, treating it like a basic search bar. This limited approach leaves enormous productivity and creativity gains on the table, because the real power comes from turning it into a stateful, specialized copilot for your ongoing workflows. Today, we'll dive into the critical art of custom instructions, the game-changing power of chained prompting for complex tasks, and how to create evergreen expert personas that elevate every interaction. These aren't just minor adjustments, they are fundamental shifts that separate casual users from true AI power users, and you'll be one of them by the end of this video. First, let's talk about mastering custom instructions, your permanent copilot. This feature, often overlooked, is arguably the most impactful way to personalize your ChatGPT experience. Think of it as giving ChatGPT a persistent memory and a set of standing orders that apply to every single new chat you open. Instead of repeating "be concise" or "write in a professional tone" at the start of every conversation, custom instructions handle it for you, silently shaping the AI's responses. You access them in your ChatGPT settings. You'll find two fields. What would you like ChatGPT to know about you to provide better responses? And how would you like ChatGPT to respond? In the first, tell it your role. I am a marketing manager for a B2B SaaS company. Or, I am a freelance writer specializing in long-form SEO content. This establishes context. In the second, define its default behavior. Always provide 3 bullet points summarizing your answer. Prioritize actionable advice. Avoid jargon unless explicitly requested. This instantly transforms ChatGPT from a generic assistant into a specialized copilot that understands your ongoing needs, making every new interaction start from an informed position. For example, I have mine set to always format code examples in Markdown and to ask clarifying questions before generating long responses. This sets a baseline for a consistent, professional, and efficient workflow without you ever needing to type a single additional instruction. But what if your task is too complex for a single prompt, even with custom instructions? This brings us to our second trick: chained prompting, the art of building complex workflows. Many users try to cram every detail and desired outcome into one massive, convoluted prompt, hoping ChatGPT will magically untangle it. The result is often fragmented, incomplete, or confusing output. The secret is to break down complex tasks into a series of smaller, logical, sequential prompts where each step builds on the last. Imagine you need to write a detailed blog post about a new AI trend. Instead of one prompt saying, "Write a 1,500-word blog post about generative AI for marketing managers," including an intro, 3 main sections, and a conclusion covering benefits, challenges, and future trends, with a call to action to download a white paper, you'd use a chain. Step 1. Research the top 3 benefits and 3 challenges of generative AI in marketing for B2B SaaS companies. Provide a list of credible sources. Step 2. In the same chat, after it delivers Step 1. Based on the research above, generate a detailed outline for a 1,500-word blog post, ensuring it includes an engaging intro, 3 main body sections for benefits, challenges, and future trends, and a strong conclusion with a call to action. Step 3. Draft the introduction and the first main body section based on the outline provided. You continue this, guiding the AI through each phase. This iterative process ensures higher quality output because ChatGPT focuses on one clear objective at a time, allowing for mid-course corrections and refinements. It's like delegating a complex project to a human. You wouldn't give them all instructions at once without checking in. Now, these techniques create a consistent, powerful copilot. But what if you need ChatGPT to wear different hats, not just one? That's where our third trick comes in. Dynamic persona shifting for contextual expertise. ChatGPT isn't just one type of expert. It can embody many roles. The trick is explicitly telling it to adopt a persona for the current conversation. This allows you to leverage its vast knowledge base through the lens of a specific profession or perspective, greatly enhancing the relevance and depth of its responses. For example, instead of just asking "explain the stock market," you could start a chat with "act as a seasoned financial advisor," explaining the stock market to a complete beginner. Use simple language and relatable analogies. Or, for coding, you are a senior software engineer specializing in Python. Review this code for optimization and potential bugs. You can even combine this with chained prompting. Act as a product manager. Generate 5 user stories for a new task management app feature. Then, switch to a UX designer persona and describe how these user stories would translate into interface elements. This technique lets you tap into specialized knowledge for highly specific tasks without needing to retrain the AI or use different models. The AI effectively role-plays for you, providing insights and output that are tailored to the designated expertise. This capability makes ChatGPT incredibly versatile, allowing a single AI to assist across a vast array of professional contexts. These personas give you depth, but what about speed and scale, especially if you're working with the API or specific UIs? Our fourth trick tackles that head-on, leveraging system messages, the hidden manual. While user prompts guide ChatGPT, system messages go a level deeper. They are direct instructions to the model itself, setting core behavioral rules and constraints that are often more robust and less susceptible to being forgotten during a long conversation. Think of them as the foundational code for the AI's temporary personality. In standard ChatGPT, you primarily use user prompts. But when interacting with the API, or in advanced playground environments, you can explicitly set a system role. For example, instead of starting every user prompt with, "You are a helpful assistant," you can establish this as a system message. This instructs the model on its fundamental identity and output requirements before any user input even arrives. Other examples include, or system messages are incredibly powerful for ensuring consistency, especially when automating tasks or building applications on top of ChatGPT. They establish guardrails that are much harder for subsequent user prompts to accidentally override, making your AI interactions more predictable and reliable. This method is crucial for developers and power users looking to integrate ChatGPT into larger systems, but understanding its concept helps anyone realize the AI's deeper capabilities. But even with all these advanced techniques, there's a common mistake that trips up even seasoned users, robbing them of true efficiency: over-prompting and prompt fatigue. This happens when users try to write an overly long, incredibly detailed, single prompt attempting to cover every possible scenario and output requirement. They want one prompt to do everything, anticipating every edge case. The irony is, this often confuses the model, leading to poorer, less coherent outputs than a simpler, iterative approach. Instead of aiming for the perfect monolithic prompt, embrace simplicity first. Rely on custom instructions to handle your consistent needs. Use chained prompting to break down complexity. And, for individual steps, keep your prompts focused and clear. If the initial output isn't perfect, don't rewrite the entire prompt. Instead, use our final trick: iterative refinement and feedback loops. ChatGPT is a conversation, not a command line. The fifth trick is the art of iterative refinement and feedback loops. Many users treat ChatGPT like a static tool, expecting a perfect final answer on the first try. But the true power lies in its conversational nature. You can, and should, continuously refine its output with targeted feedback. If an answer isn't quite right, don't delete it and start over. Instead, ask it to improve. For instance, if it gives you a long response, say, "Make this more concise." If the tone is off, rewrite this in a more energetic tone. If a specific point is missing, elaborate further on the implications for small businesses. You can even push it to self-correct by asking, "What are the weaknesses of your previous response, and how could you improve it?" This approach leverages ChatGPT's ability to remember context and apply new instructions to previous outputs. It's a continuous feedback loop that gently steers the AI towards the precise result you need, turning a decent first draft into an exceptional final product with minimal effort. This conversational finesse is the ultimate differentiator for advanced users, turning every interaction into a tailored learning and creation process. You now have the toolkit to move beyond basic chatbot interactions and truly unlock ChatGPT's hidden power. By mastering custom instructions for consistent behavior, employing chained prompting for complex tasks, dynamically shifting personas for specialized expertise, leveraging system messages for robust control, and embracing iterative refinement for perfect output, you transform ChatGPT into an indispensable stateful copilot that works exactly how you need it to. If you're ready to master even more AI tools and stay ahead of the curve, check out this video next, where we break down the latest advancements in visual AI. Stay curious. This is AI Unpacked.